Heavy rains continue to pound places in Dahisar, Borivali, Malad, Goregaon, Andheri, Bandra, and as well as Powai, Vikhroli, also Kurla areas. At the same time, torrential rains have also started again in Pune. Heavy rains continue in Swargate, Deccan and Shivaji Nagar areas of the city. Due to rain accompanied by thunder and strong winds, power supply has also been disrupted. In a tragic incident, 6 citizens lost their lives due to a roof collapse of a building in Kalyan meanwhile, and 5 people have sustained injuries. Now, traffic congestion also continues to persist, and this is due to waterlogging in several low-lying areas of Pune. Let's listen in to my colleague who has sent this special report.
As the unseasonal rainfall has grappled Pune city, but not only Pune city actually, but the entire state of Maharashtra, its side effects have been started as of now. An unfortunate incident has happened in Pune's Wagholi Sanaswadi area, where a billboard has collapsed and under which around 7 to 8 two-wheelers have been buried. Fortunately, there has been no casualties reported as of now, but Pune Fire Brigade as well as the disaster management team has reached to the spot, and the rescue operation has been started since then. Also, a thorough investigation is being done by Pune Police as well as Pune Municipal Corporation to check whether this billboard which has collapsed is illegal or unauthorized or not. Similar incident happened in Mumbai's Ghatkopar area last year in 2024, which took lives of around 16 people. Similar incident has happened in Pune where a billboard has collapsed, but fortunately there are no casualties as of now. As I mentioned earlier, a thorough investigation is underway by Pune Police and Pune Municipal Corporation and other local authorities. Now it will be important to see that what action is taken, as Pune Police have also said that a stringent action will be taken against the owner of this billboard if, I will repeat again, if at all this billboard turns out to be illegal. Now it will be important to see that what stringent action is taken by the authorities.